Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're about to start on Thomas's 1956 Ford F100. This one's going to ride on a custom Rotor Shop Fast Track chassis. It's got a 5.2 illuminator, 6R80 transmission, bare brakes all the way around, lots of custom body mods, beautiful paint, and a custom interior. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and stick around for the start of this build.
We're trying to move these fenders out a little bit. Our hood doesn't fit quite in the hole. So we need a gap, hood gap here, so we're going to try and spread these fenders out a little. So I got to trim this off because it's keeping us from moving out. It's all aftermarket, so I mean, nothing ever fits right, so you're going to have to make it fit, so part of the game.
Got to modify them.
Modify it. The struggle is real. Monday morning.
Problems with the hinges?
Right. I got this one hung up behind there now.
Here, I'll hold it.
Are you kidding me? You're just coming in real handy today, Tim.
I'm multitasking today. I'm building this truck.
You are like graduated from video host to assistant.
Now who's gonna film us?
Right. Man, that was a lot of work for something that should have been really easy. Working on our bed frame here. Building all the bracing for it for the floor. Because they had to raise the bed floor up. So this is basic getting it all framed in. I'll cut the wheel tubs out. Hopefully get those done. Gotta raise the bed floor. We'll have to do a filler panel back here. Pretty typical stuff. Get it all squared up. Doing our wheel tubs here, we bought these pre-done pieces, but we're going to have to modify them. We're going to cut this flange off and reverse it to the inside, and then we'll be able to bolt through our quarter panel from inside up through here. And then we're doing the same thing on the bottom. We'll cut the flange off the outside and put it inside of here. That way we can bolt through here down into the floor, the bed wood. And we're shortening them up. Obviously we had to raise the floor, so this part's going to get cut off, and then we'll go from there.
Which part gets cut off?
This section here, and we'll cut all this off because we raised our floor up. So these would be normally set up to just set right down on the stock floor. And I'm not even sure what the application for these is. But we found them to work pretty good. You already get this piece done, and that makes it fast, and they're nice and perfect. So, but like I said, we're going to have to extend this one an inch because our tires are so big. They're moved in, so we got to move the wheel tub over and extend this over an inch, and then do a flange on it. So we'll get these cut up and get some extension pieces going and weld some flanges on them, and we'll be good to go. For anything.
So are you saying this is the inside bottom flange?
Yes.
Okay. That'll be on the inside here.
Yeah, on the bottom.
Bolted a wood bed.
Yes.
Look at that.
Perfect. Now, this will go 1.25 inches. I always trim some off. You need to. Hide it from you.
What's that?
I had to hide it from you so I can see. Gotta weld it from this side. Well, tack it at least. I'm gonna clamp it down to the table. Too. Perfect. We got about a 1/4 inch clearance on the inside for the tire, so.
Yeah, it looks good.
Probably run the hammer across that a little bit. Gotta close on these gaps. Some grinding.
And on to the next one.
Yeah. The other side, no, two sides.
All right, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we have a lot more coming out soon. This is getting a custom firewall here shortly. Mark is doing a lower roll pan. He already has it mocked up out of cardboard. It looks pretty awesome. That should make for a cool video. Yeah, this is getting the full CCS treatment, custom interior, custom body mods, fabrication, full paint and body, all the goodies. So look forward to more videos on this one. It means the world to me that you guys are watching these. The comments are awesome. All the thumbs up are awesome. Subscribe. This is a big one to help us in the algorithm is leave a comment. Tell me down below, Tim, love the videos. Keep them coming. If you don't want to type all that out, give me a thumbs up emoji. That works too. You can also help the channel by buying some cool merch. The links up there and down in the description. And that's all I got for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.